Ano na papakya? Sino nga? Kanina ka pa. Sabihin mo na.
Araw ko namili.
Kaya namin harapin yan.
Sa alam lang ko sila. Bilib na sana ako ng kayo namili.
Dito rin nagustuhan.
Kaya yung gustuhan mo.
Ang kailangan na sa ganong opinion.
Sige, sana din nakiaraw ka.
Paiyakin mo kami, sir, ah. Makain pa tayo.
Yan yun lang. Okay.
Okay, next.
Next.
Ayun din ba ito?
Ang haba.
Grabe ka naman.
Ano lang to?
Walang sound. Wala bang sound?
Wait lang, wala pang sound.
Sige na, isa na po.
Sige po, start ko na kasi. Gutom na din ako. Sige po. Dear Bismed family. Charot. Hindi po yung start. Ayun, after 10 wonderful years, it's finally time for me to bid goodbye. Not to the memories and friendships, but to my everyday life here at Bismed.
Wala na kayong PCRT.
Babalik na po ulit ako sa 361 na wala pang kasiguradad kung may tay. Wala upuan kami doon.
Nakakalap.
I'm forever grateful for all the firsts that the office made possible. My first time riding an airplane for the APEC 2015 meetings when the Philippines was the host country. Kasabay din po yun ng ROG Mancom and SSF Awards sa Iloilo City. My first and only time to travel abroad to participate in the APEC Bahrain Business Strategy Forum with ESG in Seoul, South Korea. Na kasama ko nga si Kenny. Ayan. These experiences broadened not just my professional skills, but also my personal horizons. Thank you, Director Emma and Miss Ching, kahit wala siya dito, for the opportunity. Thank you, Kenneth, sa pagsama and pag-guide sa akin. First time na nakapag-host at naging resource speaker din ako. Thank you, Med Team, for helping me unlock that skill during DJ Talks and during times na na-invite si Med to give information regarding MSMEs in the Philippines. Thank you, Miss Carissa, for helping me. Thank you po, Miss Lumens, sa pag-guide sa kung ano-ano yung mga topics na dapat i-discuss sa pag-share ng materials. My first time na makatungtong sa Malacanang. Thank you po sa experience. Because of the Presidential Awards, my first time na mag-organize ng activity para sa Bureau during my time as an HR partner. Na-experience ulit ng Bureau na magkaroon ng org. And yung first time ko din na mag-organize ng planning ng
Ba't niyo pinayak si Che?
countless monetary trips across provinces and regions for the SSF project, I was able to meet amazing people and witness the real impact of our work. I will always treasure those memories and the friendships I made along the way. Thank you, Meg. Thank you sa mga nakasama ko sa monitoring. Ayun. Yun. Thank you din po for choosing me as the Bureau's IT partner for the last 8 years. And I also would like to apologize for my shortcomings in providing the needed equipment of some of the staff. Still, thank you for believing in what I could offer, especially during critical times when the technical support was needed the most. Ayun. Beyond the work, what I value the most are the friendships we forge. You were not just office mates, you become my parents. Ma'am Susan, Miss James, Michelle. My mentor, Miss Lumen. Partners in stressful deadlines and sources of laughter during long days. I am bringing with me not just skills and knowledge, but also countless memories filled with support, shared dreams, and lots of good times. Salamat for making my business journey unforgettable. Now that I will be transferring to e-commerce bureau, I am excited for the next chapter. But I will always carry Bismed with me wherever I go. And of course, I'm just one message away if you ever need help whether it's a presentation, a technical glitch, or even just someone to talk to. Thank you, Biscuit, for all invaluable learnings and experiences that have shaped both my professional and personal growth. You were never just a workplace. You were, and always will be, a home. Oh, pwede sa akin naman na yung laptop tsaka extend.
Expect yung level pa.
Sabihin na lang natin kay attorney nagtalon, bigyan ka kaagad.
Thank you po and see you around.
Thank you. Teacher, ulit habang naiiyak ka pa. Ayun na, thank you, Cherry.
It's not goodbye.
It's not goodbye, see you around.
Okay, that's it na.
Okay,
Okay,
so,
ito na ang binyag ng ating newest member. For the prayer, for the prayer, Miss Bernice.
Bernice. Your time is starts now.
Amen.
Happy birthday
to you. Happy birthday to you. Sir Jerry.
Si Director Jerry, birthday niya ngayon.
Happy birthday.